In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub Codespaces with PayPal checkout. Setting up a development environment is crucial, especially when integrating payment systems like PayPal, as it provides a platform to test and refine your applications before going live. To get started, you're going to first visit developer.paypal.com and sign in to your account. It's important to have your login credentials handy to access the resources you need. Once signed in, direct your attention to the top navigation and click on Docs. This section is where PayPal consolidates all its developer documentation. With the vast array of options available, you'll specifically want to click on Online. This category encompasses various online transactions PayPal facilitates, and it's where you'll find all the details needed for our integration. Within the online section, look for Checkout and select it. PayPal Checkout is essential for e-commerce sites, allowing customers to complete payments quickly and securely. The Checkout section will guide you in setting up the payment gateway seamlessly. Next, proceed by clicking on PayPal, which brings you into the nitty-gritty of integrating PayPal into your environment. Now look for the Integrate option and click on it. This action will take you to detailed integration steps that PayPal has designed to ensure you have all required components. Once on this page, scroll down to reveal more information. This scrolling will lead you to advanced topics and methods that are crucial, depending on the exact nature of your project and needs. Here comes a key part of the process. Click on Opening Codespaces, GitHub. Codespaces is a service that allows you to use a cloud-based development environment, providing the benefits of portability and reduced setup on your local machine. Choosing this option automatically initiates the setup process. After that, you'll need to select the repository that holds your project's code. This selection determines which data the codespace will work with. Following the repository choice, you'll select the main branch. This branch is typically your primary development line, where stable code resides, and using it ensures you're combining PayPal's integration with your main project functionality. Afterward, you'll choose the dev container configuration, which is essentially selecting the environment specifications that match your requirements. The next task is to select your region. The region selection often influences latency and user experience, so pick one closest to your principal user base. Similarly, you need to select the machine type. This choice depends on your computational needs and can vary based on the complexity of the application you're working on. Lastly, finalize the setup process by clicking on Create Codespace. This action deploys your configuration, and in a short while you'll have a ready-to-use environment that combines the power of GitHub Codespaces with PayPal checkout integration. Enjoy exploring and testing your application in this newly configured environment.